What if every time someone placed an order on your Shopify website, it was automatically purchased from the supplier, tracked, and shipped to your customer without you doing anything? No supplier logins, no copy-pasting customer information, no stress. This is the power of automated order fulfillment. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can do this step by step. This is a complete walkthrough. I'll be showing you things on screen, guiding you through the exact steps, so by the end of this video, your store will be fully automated and ready to run by itself. My name is Ritu Maz, and on this channel I talk about everything business and finance related. My goal is to help you start your own business and invest your money wisely so you can grow your wealth. I've funded physical businesses like a grocery store, a 10,000 square feet event venue, and I've invested 6 figures into real estate, all with my online businesses. I am proof that you can make a full-time income online. I've actually never had a 9-to-5 job. I've always had an online business. This video is video number 3 in my series where I show you how to build a fully automated Shopify dropshipping store using AI. If you haven't yet watched the 2 first videos in this series, make sure to go watch them so it makes sense with this video. Just to give you a quick recap, in video 1, I showed you how to build your store in 8 minutes using free tools. In video number 2, we added real winning products using AutoDS. And in this video, we are automating everything. So even if you have a 9-to-5 job, a busy schedule, or you just don't feel like doing anything, you can still run this business. Make sure to sign up for AutoDS using my link in the description box below. You can try the entire platform for just $1 for 30 days. Take advantage of this offer. Sometimes when people think of starting a business, they think I need to quit my job and focus on this fully. But that's not the reality for most people starting out, and it doesn't have to be. With automation, this business model works around your life. You can keep your 9-to-5, run errands, spend time with your family while your store is fulfilling orders, updating customers, and collecting payments automatically. Let me walk you through the full setup process, and once you've done this, you're done. Make sure again that you watch the first 2 videos so it all flows together. Step 1, head to your AutoDS dashboard. Step 2, click on Settings, Plans, and Add-ons. Step 3, click on Orders Processor and enable this option. Step 4, load balance for automated order processing. This balance will be used by AutoDS to pay the suppliers. Yes, this is a paid feature, but if you're serious about building a passive automated business, this step isn't optional. Believe me when I say trying to cut corners and do everything yourself manually will just slow you down. It's not sustainable, and it's definitely not scalable. The faster you set up automation, the faster you'll be on your way to doing this full time. Remember, you did not start this to be glued to your screen. That's what you don't want. You start this because you create something that works for you even when you're not working. So now, as soon as your customer places an order, AutoDS sends the order to the supplier, updates your Shopify dashboard, and adds the tracking number. There won't be any missed orders or any emails saying, "Where's my package?" It's all handled for you 24/7. AutoDS works with top-tier suppliers like Walmart, Home Depot, Costco, Kohl's, Target, and many others. And this is why I love this platform. They only work with top-tier suppliers and all businesses we're familiar with. Now, if you're thinking, well, I can just fulfill the orders myself, you didn't start a business to become a full-time customer service rep or a data entry machine. You started this to make money, build freedom, and get your time back. And if you're working a 9-to-5 job right now, chances are your orders are gonna come in while you're at work. You won't be able to fulfill the orders fast enough. You'll get delayed shipping, frustrated customers, and bad reviews. And yes, fulfilling the orders might save you a few dollars, but it costs you something so much bigger. Time, energy, and scalability. What happens when your store starts to grow? 10, 20, or even 50 orders a day? You can't just sit there every night manually inputting addresses and chasing tracking numbers. What if you go on vacation, or what if you just miss one? That's a refund, a chargeback, and even a bad review. That's why it's so much smarter to let a software like AutoDS handle it all for you. They place the order, pay the supplier, upload the tracking number, and even send your customer the shipping confirmation, all while you're asleep or working your 9-to-5. This is the difference between having a hobby and running a real business. Real business owners delegate, automate, and focus on the things that actually move the business, like focusing on marketing to get sales. That alone will take up your 5 to 9 after your 9-to-5, and trust me, I've been there. When I started, I was doing everything manually. The reason for that is I had the mindset that if I do it myself, I'll save money. But that mindset actually slowed me down. I really wish I delegated from day one. I wouldn't be able to travel 4 months out of the year or just go whenever I want if I'm doing everything myself. And this goes both for my event venue and my online business. It is so important to delegate and let people do the work for you. And instead, you want to focus on one part of the business, the part that actually grows your revenue: marketing. Marketing is where your focus needs to go. Ever since I fully just focused on marketing for all of my businesses, all my businesses became passive the moment I only focused on marketing. That's also when I went from being self-employed to becoming an entrepreneur. If you're asking yourself what is the difference, when you're self-employed, you're basically working the same exact way as you would in 9 to 5. You're clocked in, you're constantly stressed, and you're always looking down at your computer. When you're an entrepreneur, that's when you have time, flexibility, and freedom. If you've been following me on social media for a few years now, then you might have noticed a major lifestyle switch. Before, I was always working, now I'm always traveling. But that only happens when you delegate and automate your businesses. So now let me really show you how this all works. At this point, you already have your website like I showed you in the first video. You've loaded your shop with high in-demand, profitable products like we covered in the second video. You're bringing in traffic through content and organic marketing. So now a customer lands on your website, they browse your products, and because you're using winning products with real demand, they make a purchase. Now the automation kicks in. AutoDS fulfills the order for you. They pay the supplier, enter your customer's shipping address, grab the tracking number, and Shopify can notify your customer that the package is on its way. That entire process is done without you doing any manual work, and now you make a profit automatically. Make sure to turn on your notification in Shopify. For this, go to Setting, Notifications, Shipping, and make sure the shipping confirmation and shipping update notifications are enabled. This ensures your customer gets updated automatically. Every time I make these videos, I always just tell myself, wow, I only wish I had all of these tools when I first started out. Before AI and all these tools didn't exist, we had to manually do everything. The entire process from payment to tracking to customer notification happens without any manual work from you. Now you can really sit back and watch the profits come in automatically. But now let me break down how you actually make the profit and how to track it. Inside AutoDS on your main dashboard, you'll find a tab called Products and one called Drafts. Products means it's already imported on your store and customers can purchase. Drafts mean it's not imported yet. All you have to do is click on Import right here and it will be on your store. Here you'll see every product you've imported. It shows you your selling price, your supplier cost, and your profit per sale. It even factors in shipping costs and it updates in real time. So every single time you get an order, you already know how much you're making. Now, here's something even more important: price and stock monitoring. As you can see, mine is on, and this is an absolute game changer for beginners. Make sure yours is on as well. If your supplier changes the price, let's say they raise the cost of an item, AutoDS will automatically adjust the price on your Shopify store based on the rule you set. So if you always want to make a $15 profit, your price will increase to maintain that. If the supplier lowers the cost, your price will lower too, and your product becomes more competitive on your site. All of this happens 24/7 in the background. Even better, if your supplier goes out of stock, AutoDS will mark the product as sold out. That means customers won't be able to buy something you can't deliver. Let's now take a tour of the order management dashboard so you understand how it flows after the sale. Click on the Orders tab. Here you'll see every single order sorted by status, pending, ordered, shipped, or delivered. You'll see the customer name, the product they bought, the supplier, the tracking number, and your profit all in one place. You can also filter orders by supplier, by fulfillment status, by shipping speed, or by delivery country. This makes it super easy to stay organized, especially once the sales start picking up. One thing I really appreciate about AutoDS, and something I think more beginner tools should offer, is how easy it is to get help when you need it. If you ever feel stuck or have a question, it's so easy to get in touch. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see a little chat icon. That's your direct link to AutoDS customer support. Click it, ask your question, and a rep will usually get back to you quickly. To keep track of your conversations or follow up on a question, just head over to the customer support tab inside your dashboard. You will see your full message history there, so nothing gets lost or forgotten. It's honestly one of the smoothest support systems I've seen in a platform like this. It's not just a support that's beginner friendly, the entire platform is built with simplicity. They really are an all-in-one business solution to help you succeed. All the links mentioned in this video are going to be in my description box below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!